This video discusses how to get rid of ants yourself, along with the preventative steps you can take before they become an issue. If you are the type of person who is motivated to learn how to address issues around the house, you have found the right place. In this video, we provide the Elite Homeowner channel recommendations and step-by-step instruction from DoMyOwn, a leading authority of home pest control, on how to get rid of and control ants. If you want information on different ant species, you are not in the right place. This video is to get rid of ants. Use this information as you see fit. The next chapter of ant prevention requires a little more work, however, nothing you can't handle. There are pesticides needed that need to be applied. So before moving forward, I need to discuss the products required for ants' proper ant control, and any other pest for that matter. When you search for "get rid of ants yourself," you will get all kinds of results. Many will talk about home remedies that you can make yourself, using ingredients you probably already have in your home. There is no doubt in my mind that many of these homemade products work, and I would never tell you not to use them, but are they short-term or long-term solutions? No disrespect intended, but common sense says to me that if you hire a professional company, these companies have already tested as many products as they can and use what they have determined best. If a new product comes out, they try it and use it if it performs better than what they are currently using. Companies use professional-grade products, not some homemade remedy. We believe that if you are really serious about tackling pest projects around the house, you use the same products the professionals use, and apply the products the same way the professionals apply them. During our research to find the pest control products the professionals use and we could recommend, we found DoMyOwn, a company we believe to be the leading authority of do-it-yourself pest control, and a company we made a priority to be an affiliate of. DoMyOwn provides professional-grade products and instruction for everyday do-it-yourselfers just like you and me. Please be aware, using professional-grade products requires responsibility. It is imperative that you follow the directions on the product label precisely. A mound drench system is known to be an effective method of treating fire ants. Another method of red ant control is called the granular mound drench application. With this application, you will need a granular insecticide intended for that particular use and a 5-gallon bucket. First, apply the recommended amount of granular insecticide 3 feet out around the mound. Next, make sure to apply the granules over the top of the mound, according to the product label. Then, pour the recommended amount of water on and around the mound to soak into the granules. When pouring, make sure to break through the top of the mound to allow the insecticide solution to flow into the ant tunnels. For best results, apply when the outdoor temperatures are between 65 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. While drenching offers a fast solution, it is not an immediate kill. So after the area has been treated, walk away and let the granules go to work. Review the procedures in this video. Number 1. A mound drench system is known to be effective. Number 2. The granular mound drench application may be more effective. Number 3. You will need granular insecticide. Number 4. You will also need a 5-gallon bucket. Number 5. Apply the granules on top of and 3 feet around the affected area. Number 6. Soak the granules. Number 7. Allow water to soak into tunnels. With the information provided in this video and the products available, there is no reason you can't get rid of the red ants at your home yourself. Good luck!